Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Crazy Keon, and one of the things I want to share with y'all is when you full-time in an RV, you're using appliances and things a lot, right? And keep in mind, a lot of them are not designed to be used every day. So one of the things I want to show you really quick is with the faucets. There is something that you need to do to convert your faucet from the half-inch side of the RV to a 3/8 compression in your new faucet or whatever you decide to get. So let me show you that real quick. It's a 3/8 compression fit. And as you see, much smaller than the half-inch that you're going to find on your RV faucet. Now, to convert that, what you need to do is get you one of these. And then what that is a 3/8 inch compression with a half-inch MIP, but it'll still work on the top. I'm not a plumber. I have no idea what that is, but this is what I'm going to use. And when you pull it out of the package, it looks like this. It comes with all these three pieces, but you're just going to use this piece right here. The other two you can take out. So now that I'm back under the sink, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hook up this 3/8 compression to the line. And now this line specifically is going to the faucet. Now I'm going to do it hand tight, and then I'm going to snug it down. Make sure you don't over tighten it because that'll create leaks and problems later. So this is the point in the process where I got to stick my fat hand and my big arm back there to grab that half-inch that we're now going to connect. Now, remember I said earlier, you don't want to get it super tight. Most of these connections I will be able to tighten up by hand to a point that they're not leaking. And you can also see in the video where I had to attach the weight. That is what brings back the faucet to keep it from just dangling. Now we're at the point where you can clearly see that I got everything connected. There's the cold line. That's what the adapter looks like in between, going from the RV side to a faucet that is residential. And there's some other plumbing and stuff. There's the hot side right there. Got both all connected. And just like that, we got water. This is the faucet that we took out. And this is the one that we put in. So overall, not a bad job. And that's how you do it. For more tips and all that good stuff, make sure you follow us right here on Hangin with the Hazes, because my next tackle, I'm going to show you how to put in a toilet.